Good morning, Year 8. This is our fortnightly year assembly. I had intended to do it on homework, but actually Mr. Coon, our VP, has asked us as heads of year to focus on coronavirus and the procedures that we need to have in place within the school to ensure that everyone is kept as safe as possible. So bear in mind that the procedures that we have in place are to make it a safe environment for staff and students alike, and that the longer that we can keep those procedures in place, the longer that we can stay in school. And that is important because your education really matters. You've already missed loads of time from school, and we want to do everything we can to try and keep schools open for as long as possible. So 6 rules that we have. First one, wear your masks whenever you're inside in the corridors and mixing around with other boys. It is not acceptable to forget your mask, and in fact from now on we are going to be issuing SIMS behaviour points to those boys who are in the corridors without a mask on. It's for your own safety and it's for others' safety, and it's really important you abide by it. Secondly, follow the one-way system. There are big go stickers whenever you can walk up the corridor, and there are large no entry stickers whenever you're not allowed to go in a certain area. So please pay attention to these and make sure that you're keeping within the one-way system. Thirdly, practice good basic hygiene. So try not to be scratching your face or picking your nose. Try to ensure that you're washing your hands frequently for at least 20 seconds, and that you're regularly using your hand sanitizer as well to try and minimise spread of any infections. Keep within your own class group at break time and lunchtime. I know we all like to mix with as many people as possible, but you are effectively a bubble within your class group to try and minimise spread should there be any positive cases. So bear that in mind, please, whenever you're out at break time and lunchtime. And I think that's something that people just have to pay more attention to. Number 5 only applies to certain boys, but wear your masks when you're on the school buses or in any public bus, in fact. And you should be putting them on before you get on the bus and keeping them on for the duration of your journey. And finally, be responsible. You have a responsibility to ensure that you're abiding by these rules to ensure that your safety is paramount, but also the safety of those around you. And as I say, the key is to try and abide by these procedures to keep within regulations. Finally, we're talking about just general things. SIMS points are up and going. As I said, you will receive some if you don't have a mask on. Some of you are already receiving them for lack of homework, and if you receive 5 for lack of homework, that will result in an after-school detention. And also general behaviour. Lots of positive SIMS points for really courteous, mannerly behaviour, so keep that up. Okay, that's it from me. I hope to see you over the next week. Thanks very much.